One down!
Window set.
Hit!
Medic! Get the medic over there!
One more! 40 seconds, isn't it?
Yeah, where they can shoot from the other side.
Oh, right. Get them, girls! What are you shooting at? Yeah, right. They should only be in the church! Go in the church. Push up! Push up! The building. Up in the church.
Is the other building clear? Is the other building clear?
Just to spread the church as much as you can.
Hey!
Oh, fuck, don't fall.
I can only see one guy up top and one man down the bottom. There should be two more.
Go on the roof. One on the bottom.
I've got two to the right, one going hard right. It's behind the blue shipping container now.
We good?
Check the top! Check the top! Put him on the top! Go, cover him!
Someone up there?
Yep.
Hit!
Up the top. He's lying. He's lying down. Amber, medic.
Yep.
Amber, if you can grab.
Where's Kitten? He's just on the corner. He's down! Clear the top!
Medic! That's all four dead, that's four.
Amber, go.
He's got a medic.
Another medic. Get everyone on medic.
I'm not.
Oh, it's all right. Oh.
Back in the field!
Security at the front! Security at the front! Enemies at the office! Set it up! That's building clear! Push for the corner! Push for the corner!
Yep. Are they just in the office? Yep. Go, go, go! Hit!
Medic!
Alive. Where are they?
Get to the corner! You're getting fucking left behind!
Bring it in!
What are we waiting for? Is that it? Yeah. 9. Go!
Captrix is here, right?
No. Not going. Cat!
Extraction! Extraction!
Where is Cat? Keep diving. Where's Cat? Move! Yeah, girl. That was nearly
Now.
a disqualification.
Game!
Yay!
I added on for this time, but
Clear guns. Meet back where the others are.
We're going to take all the fun out of it. Sure.
You guys okay for a ammo label? Your mags don't fit my gun. Nah, the opening's too big at the front. Well, too small on there. Might fit the 74 though. 47. Okay, if anybody needs some re-ammo, go grab it right now. What was the time?
8:26. To be honest, guys, I thought it was a little sloppy, a little slow. It's getting excited.